Hey guys, I am here at a hiking trail and I'm going to go for a nature walk, and I thought I'd bring you along with me. It's not going to be really exciting. I am recording this mostly for myself because I have anxiety, and maybe when I have those anxious moments I can refer back to this and maybe it'll help me calm down, and maybe it'll help you too. I don't know. But feel free to use it anytime you want. And here we go. Isn't this crazy loud? I go for a walk, and it's like I'm out in the wilderness. I love this sound. All the tree frogs and the crickets and God knows what else. It's so beautiful. I could literally fall asleep to this. Clearly no leaves on the trees yet. Everything's still pretty dismal looking, but there's a little bit of green peeking out here and there. Like over there. Oh, there's a chipmunk or a squirrel that's not very happy with me. Oh, it's a bird. I don't know if you can see him or not. It's a woodpecker. There he goes. So many birds out here. Earlier, I came across a very large puddle and couldn't get through, but I did notice there was a couple of ducks in there, and that was really cool. What's not cool is the car with the big engine that you just heard. What the heck? But besides that awesome little car engine, okay, he's leaving, good. Because over there, through the bush on the edge, you can see the old age home, I guess you could say. But there you can hear those tree frogs and all that coming up. It's just nice to go for a walk in the bush, even if it's full of mud, and listen to the birds. If you're thinking that there's going to be something different about this video, there isn't. It's just a walk through the bush. A nature walk. And up ahead, you can see a birdhouse. They have a few of those that they've put up here and there throughout the trails. I just love how the sunshine shines on the path. Just on the path. Isn't that crazy? Not in the bush on either side, just on the path. So neat. Looks like I've got 2 ways to go here. Should we go this way or this way? Now, there's something I hate about the path. Garbage. Ugh. I just can't stand that. Why do people do that? Honestly. Okay, well, it looks pretty wet down there, so maybe I'll try going this way. Garbage. I don't even know what that is. Can you hear the birds? Can you believe there's still snow? Holy shenanigans. Sometimes it's just nice to stop and listen to the birds. No. Nobody likes snow. Almost feels like I'm in a field, or maybe there was a fire here or something. Not so sure. Lots and lots of oak trees. I can tell because there's a lot of oak leaves all over the forest floor. Now I can go that way. What's that? Hang on. There's something up there. Hang on. Great big bird. I don't know if it was an eagle or just a crow. With my luck, it's probably just a crow. Where are you? I just saw you. You just landed. Where'd you go? Oh, I don't know where it is. Well, guess I missed that one, eh? I heard a woof, woof, which made me think it might be an eagle. But anyway. Well, you know what? I think I've gone far enough. I know I've only filmed a few minutes here, but I've gone a lot further than that. I did the trails before I thought of filming, which wasn't the brightest thing. But anyway, I think I'm going to go back. I hope you enjoyed this little nature walk. Or maybe you thought it was extremely boring. Whatever. Anyhow, have a great day. I know I enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.